Hey beautiful learner. Welcome back to Learn English with Emma. Today we have a very helpful and very practical lesson. A lesson that will make your English stronger, smoother, and more confident. In this episode, I'm going to show you the different types of shadowing. I will show you what they look like, how they work, and how you can use them to improve your English starting today. You will learn shadowing with no pause, shadowing with a small pause, shadowing with a soft voice, shadowing with focus on meaning. Each one helps you in a different way, and today you will understand all of them in simple, clear English. And after we learn them, we will practice together. I will speak slowly, gently, and naturally, and you will follow my voice. We will train your listening, your speaking, and your confidence at the same time. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin. What is shadowing? Shadowing is simple. It means listening to a speaker and speaking at the same time. Your voice follows the speaker's voice the same way a shadow follows a person. That's why we call it shadowing. When you shadow, you listen and speak at the same time. You don't stop. You don't translate. You don't think too much. You follow the sound, the music, the flow of English. Shadowing trains your mouth, your ears, and your brain. But there is not only one type, there are many. And each type helps you in a special way. Let me show you. Immediate shadowing. This is the most common type. You listen, and you speak immediately. No pause. No waiting. You follow word by word. For example, speaker says, "I'm walking to the store." You say, "I'm walking to the store." Right away. Feels fast at first. Your mouth may feel slow. Your brain may say, "Emma, this is too much." But don't worry, you get faster quickly. This type builds fluency and natural rhythm. Echo shadowing. In this type, you wait just one small second. The speaker talks. You listen. You let the sentence enter your ear. And then you repeat it like a soft echo. This is wonderful for beginners. You have a small moment to breathe, understand, and prepare. Builds fluency, but with less pressure and more comfort. Content shadowing. Here you listen to the full sentence. You understand the meaning. Then you say it again using the same idea and tone. It is not exact copying. It is copying the meaning. Example. Speaker. "I woke up early today because I wanted to exercise." You. "I woke up early because I wanted to exercise." Same idea. Very small change. Very natural. This helps you sound calm, confident, and expressive. Whisper shadowing. Sometimes you want to practice, but you can't be loud. Maybe you're in a cafe, in your room at night, or next to someone else. Whisper shadowing is perfect. You follow the speaker, but in a soft whisper. Still trains your mouth, your rhythm, and your speaking muscles, without disturbing anyone. Why shadowing helps you? Shadowing gives you many beautiful benefits. 1. Better listening. You start to hear English in a new way, the stress, the tone, the music, the connection between words. 2. More fluency. You speak without stopping. You think less. You translate less. And your brain starts to feel English naturally. 3. Stronger mouth muscles. English has its own sound. Your mouth learns how to move like a native speaker. 4. More confidence. After just 5 to 10 minutes, you feel stronger and faster. 5. Active learning. You don't just listen. You join the speaker. You become part of the conversation. This is why shadowing is one of the most powerful English learning tools in the world. How to do shadowing correctly. Step 1. Choose simple, clear audio. This podcast, a YouTube video, a short story, anything you like. Step 2. Play the audio and listen for a few seconds. Step 3. Start speaking with the speaker. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't stop. Don't think too much. Just follow. Just copy. Just move your mouth. This is the magic. Practice with Emma. Repeat after me. Ready? Shadow with me any style you like. I am learning English every day. I am learning English every day. Shadowing helps me speak more naturally. Shadowing helps me speak more naturally. I do not translate in my head. I do not translate in my head. I follow the rhythm of English. I follow the rhythm of English. My listening becomes stronger. My listening becomes stronger. I am growing step by step. I am growing step by step. I feel more confident today. I feel more confident today. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. Beautiful. Longer practice. Every day I use English for a few minutes. Every day I use English for a few minutes. I listen to a short audio and follow the speaker's voice. I listen to a short audio and follow the speaker's voice. I repeat the words and I repeat the tone. I repeat the words and I repeat the tone. This helps me understand real English. This helps me understand real English. Wonderful job. Final round. I don't need to be perfect. I don't need to be perfect. I only need to be consistent. I only need to be consistent. Shadowing helps me feel the language. Shadowing helps me feel the language. Final message. You can shadow anywhere. In your room. In the kitchen. On a walk. While cleaning. While waiting for the bus. Start with 5 minutes a day. Then 10. Then 15. This small daily habit can change everything. If you stay consistent, your English will grow. Your fluency will grow. And your confidence will grow. Thank you, beautiful learner, for practicing with me today. I'm so proud of you. You are doing something brave and powerful. Keep going, keep growing, and keep shining. I'm Emma, and this is Learn English with Emma. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like, and tell me in the comments which shadowing type was your favorite. See you in the next lesson.